This year, King Charles is set to host what could be his largest and most meaningful family Christmas yet, gathering 45 members of the royal family at Sandringham. With Queen Camilla recovering from pneumonia and the king privately battling cancer, the celebration takes on a poignant tone, underscoring the resilience and unity of the Windsors. But who exactly will join the festive festivities at the Norfolk estate? Christmas at Sandringham is a cornerstone of royal family traditions, combining formality with heartfelt camaraderie. The estate, steeped in history and charm, becomes a hub of activity as generations of royals come together to celebrate in their unique way. This year, the Prince of Wales, speaking candidly during an engagement in Wiltshire, revealed the gathering would be one of the largest in recent history, with 45 family members expected under one roof. William admitted to feeling unprepared for the festivities but expressed excitement for the chance to reconnect with family members who are usually scattered across the country. The Windsors are known for their quirky Christmas customs, which blend British tradition with nods to their German heritage. On Christmas Eve, presents are exchanged during a tea-time gathering, with novelty and humor taking precedence over extravagance. Over the years, these light-hearted gifts have ranged from Prince William's playful offering of slippers adorned with the Queen's face to Kate's thoughtful homemade chutney for Queen Elizabeth. The evening concludes with a formal black-tie dinner, setting the tone for a day filled with traditions. Christmas Day starts with a church service at St. Mary Magdalene, where the royal family is greeted by throngs of well-wishers eager to catch a glimpse of the royals in festive spirits. The service is followed by a grand luncheon featuring a traditional roast turkey and trimmings, a meal meticulously scheduled to start at 1:15 p.m. sharp. In the evening, the family gathers for games like charades and bingo, showcasing their competitive yet jovial spirit. Among this year's notable attendees is Queen Camilla's son, Tom Parker Bowles, who will join the festivities at his mother's special request. Reflecting on the past 2 years' challenges, including the king's undisclosed cancer battle, Tom acknowledged the deeper significance of this reunion. Describing his mother as a resilient figure, he emphasized the importance of family during trying times, a sentiment likely shared by all attendees. The extended guest list includes prominent members of the royal family, from the Prince and Princess of Wales and their 3 children to Princess Anne, her husband, and their grandchildren. The Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh will also attend with their children, alongside Prince Andrew and Sarah Ferguson, who made a surprising return to Sandringham last year. Camilla's family adds another dimension to the gathering, with her son Tom, daughter Laura Lopez, and their children expected to partake in the festivities. This year's celebration, however, is tinged with poignancy. King Charles, grappling with his health challenges, has prioritized family unity, ensuring the occasion is both a celebration of togetherness and a reflection of the enduring strength of the monarchy. For Queen Camilla, recovering from a recent illness, the presence of her children and grandchildren will undoubtedly bring comfort and joy. As the royal family prepares for this grand and meaningful Christmas gathering at Sandringham, the emphasis on family, resilience, and tradition shines brightly. Amid the challenges of health and the passage of time, the Windsors demonstrate the enduring power of unity and love. This year's celebration promises to be one of the most memorable, not just for its scale but for its heartfelt significance in the lives of those who carry the weight of the crown.